Okay, so I just want to quickly show you if you want to use a different viewer than the NoVNC viewer in Proxmox. There is another viewer called Spice, which is much better. You can actually use your clipboard, your sound, and all that stuff. So it's a bit better. But in order to use that, so I'm running Windows and then the obviously Proxmox, and then I go from my browser, but it's a Windows system. So you're gonna have to install a virt-viewer. So let's go to Google, say virt-viewer, and then you can go to the first one. So this site, virtmanager.org, and then so this is all for Linux based stuff. There's the commands. Right, then you just scroll down a bit where it says virt-viewer again, and you will see Win86 MSI. So this is the Windows version. So it says here virt-viewer. I'm not sure about that one. 11. virt-viewer 11. This is. But anyway, I just chose this Win x64, obviously. So you basically just click on that and download it. So I've got it there. And then let's see, it's downloads. There it is, the MSI files. You just double click and run it, so it can install the necessary stuff. Right, and then once that's installed, I think just this kill your VM and restart it. Once it's restarted, you can actually click on Spice. Right, and then it wants to download the little file, so you can just download that. Then once that's downloaded, that's the actual file that you want to run. That's pve spice.v. Just run that, and that's gonna call the viewer, the Spice viewer. And here's the viewer. As you can see, it's working, because the NoVNC viewer for me, it's just not working. It did work, and it's very slow, and as you can see, my mouse it's out of sync. Where is it now? I can't really click on anything. I don't know how to reset this, so let's just go to this viewer, and let's just see if let's copy something. What should I copy? Copy some text. What text should I copy? Just this. Come on. Copy. Viewer. And yeah, unfortunately, I use debloaters on this Windows, so there's nothing on there, not even Notepad. So I'm just gonna copy that in here. Yeah. So the copy works perfectly. And that is pretty much it. Let's just, okay, so the enable stuff, I think the clipboard is just enabled by default. Let's just see quickly. Yeah, it's probably just enabled. I'll check now. Anyway, in here you can actually select your USB drive, but mine is not working. I don't know why. I have to dig around a little bit more. There's my microphone and so on. So you can enable that stuff here. If you go to settings, I think it's enabled by default, so I wanted to cut and paste obviously in here. Yeah, so that is pretty much what you have to do. Good.